Okay, welcome back. So today I'll be trying to lo-fi remix Paris by, well, you've seen the title, I'd rather not get demonetized straight away, that'd be kind of cool. But yeah, you know who the artists are. I'm not sure how this will work, and I just thought it'd be kind of fun to see if I could lo-fi remix a pretty aggressive sort of style of rap, like I did with the Skylord videos. But I can see that it's 106 BPM, and I'm pretty sure it's G major. I had a little Google search, but for now I'll just try and get the BPM right and line it up to the grid. Okay, so I've got it lined up. I might just chuck a quick drum pattern underneath this, just some hi-hats and snares, just to get a nice little groove, and then I'll start working on the melody. Okay, got a pretty simple bounce going. I'm definitely going to fix this up and change it around a bit later, but for now I think it's alright. Good enough for now, and then it's lined up pretty nicely with the acapella, so I think now I'm going to try and create a chord progression in G major, I guess, with some Rhodes, I guess. We'll see, it might turn into a brass sort of sound, but I'll start off with the Rhodes and we'll see where we can go from there. Okay, so I've got a 1, 4, 5, 7 progression going here in G major, so that. I think now I'm just going to spice it up, maybe add some 7ths, 9ths, we'll see, add some like extra notes, like I'll just cut up there, that sort of stuff, you know, so I'll go from there. Okay, so I added some 7ths and stuff and chopped that up like this. You can see there's cuts there, all that sort of stuff, and then the like sort of transitionary notes sort of got a down then up sort of pattern, and then I tried to reflect that so it's up and then up again and then down, bit of counterpoint for you. And then some strum, just added that and randomized the note velocities. And I think it's sounding alright, so I just played those by itself without the vocal because I don't want to get copyright striked. So I think that's alright. I might be missing a bass note there. Now I'm going to try and find something to layer on top. No idea what that's going to be, but I'll have a look. Probably just some sort of brass or woodwind instrument. But I'll get onto that now. Okay, so what I've done, a little trumpet here. Just little hits there, and then a string section here. So I'll play those together. Very happy with how that's sounding. Now I'm just going to go into the mixer, add some effects and stuff, and then I'll get started on fixing up those drums to make them sweet. Okay, so now I'm ready to get on with the drums. What I've done here, just a bit of reverb, EQ, RC20, soft clipper. Now this is the horn hit, reverb, RC20, got a bit of wobble on that because it's not like an actual melodic sort of thing, it's just a hit, so I thought that would space it up a bit, and then the strings, RC20 again, and a bit of EQ, and then they're all going into this limiter sidechaining to the kick, so I'll just play that pattern. Now just going to get on with the drums. So I've added some spice to them. I think I'm going to do some work with arrangement to like take certain sections out, but I've added a 2-step hi-hat, another hat here. Wait, no, I didn't add that. And the snare. and then a shaker. So all together now. Pretty happy with how that's sounding. Now I'm going to create a nice little acoustic bass line underneath the melody and chords and stuff. Okay, very happy with how this is sounding. I'll play the melody and bass together. I've sidechained this bass to the kick, of course, and added some EQ just to boost the bass. Yep, taking it down again with soft clipper. But I'll play the melody and bass together now. Very happy with how that's going. Sounds great with the drums. Now I think I'm going to be splitting my channel so they're all nice and laid out there, and I'll get onto arrangement now. Okay, so I think I have finished the arrangement here. Just what I've done, got the keys starting off, then it comes in without this part, and then pretty much just repeats with this part for the entire track. Then I got my tag here, of course, automated some tape stop over here, and then cut out a little yell that was there, and then cut out some extra space over there. Then got the drums coming in for the intro just to make sure that this is like this part. Hey, tell me what you know. That's like sort of got a bit of bounce to it. And then I take out some of those instruments there, then bring them back, and then break fully over there, with the bass coming in there, staying the whole way. Not too much going on. There's a couple spaces where I've got all the drums going at once. There's also a couple spaces where I've got it going for half. Ruby's part here. Yeah, gets a nice, I'm pretty sure it's Ruby. I don't know the Suicide rappers too well, but I assume it's Ruby because he's rapping about Ruby. But yeah, he gets a 2-bar sort of section there with the snares coming in and then all the drums coming in, and that side chaining hitting pretty hard. So that's about it for the arrangement. I might just do a quick little bit of leveling and I'll get back to you in a sec. Okay, so I think this is done. Just a bit of panning on these two perks and then boost the gain. So I've got a nice loudness, then a couple small effects, but mainly just leveling, just getting the levels right so that it's not too overbearing. But that is about it. I'll chuck this up on my SoundCloud. Link will be the first link in the description. Make sure to check that out because I am a big fan of this remix. I think it worked out pretty well. I'll see if I can give you a little preview. Just don't want to get claimed. That's like the main problem. We'll go from here. Yeah, we'll do this section here. All right. So, thank you for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you later.
Like a